Hey, Brian Steer Group Real Estate Team, coming to you with our first edition of our new video series here. We're going to walk you through step by step what goes into a project like this. This is a home that was demolished down to the studs and is going to be rebuilt up to be a basically 95% remodeled home. So one of our new listings, 902 Scott Avenue over here in North Cape May. The renovation company is MMCM Renovation and Construction. They're an awesome local company here, and they've allowed us to shoot this video series through the progression of all their work. So again, 902 Scott Ave, North Cape May, just down the street from Harpoon Henry's, about 6 blocks to the bay. Right now, it's what you see behind me here. It's just a couple of walls left over from the original home. In the end, it's going to be a 2-story, 3-bed, 2.5 bath custom home. It's going to have amazing finishes like vinyl plank flooring, all wood, quiet closed cabinets, granite countertops, recessed lighting. Everything is going to just be amazing. So we're going to walk you through step by step. Right now, let's just take a look at what we're getting here. It's literally just a shell, a complete shell here. Dumpster full of what was here before. We're going to come back every week and kind of update you as to what is going on, what's happened, show you what it looks like, and then what's going to be coming next. So 902 Scott Ave, if you want to drive by and take a look and watch the progression yourself, it's on the market now, pre-construction, $349,900, 3-bed, 2-bath. You can get in early and make a lot of the selections, so you can choose the color of flooring, cabinets, countertops, siding, roof, almost everything at this point. As we progress further and further, those selections will dwindle as we choose things for the project. But right now, you can get in, do whatever you want. Again, Brian Steer Group Real Estate Team. This is going to be our new video series. It's going to be called basically From Demo to Completion. Here's number 1. We're demoed. This is what it looks like. See you next week to show you the progress, and every week after that moving forward until it's sold. Steer Group Real Estate Team, 609-425-9428. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we'll catch you next week.